Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log in on Facebook Lite, and now let's dive right in. Now to log in to your account on Facebook Lite app, first you'll be required to download and install the Facebook Lite app on your phone from the Play Store, as I've already downloaded and installed it. Now in your case you might getting this kind of interface, so in order to proceed, let's tap on none of the above for now. You'll be required to enter your email address or your phone number with which you had signed up for a Facebook account. And after that, enter your password over here, guys. And after entering your password, by simply tap on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Facebook account on your Facebook Lite app. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Facebook account on your Facebook Lite app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.